Configuring Debank historical data is a straightforward process that provides valuable insights into cryptocurrency transactions and portfolio performance. To start, create a Debank account and log in to access the dashboard. First, navigate to the portfolio section where you can add wallets and connect them to Debank. This allows you to track your cryptocurrency holdings and transactions across various wallets. Next, select the wallet you want to configure historical data for and click on the settings icon. From the drop-down menu, choose the historical data option. Here, you can set the time frame for which you want to retrieve historical data, ranging from 1 day to 1 year. You can also select the type of data you want to retrieve, such as transaction history or balance changes. Once you have set your preferences, click on the Apply button to start the data retrieval process. Debank will then fetch the historical data for the selected time frame and display it in a graphical format. You can use this data to analyze your portfolio performance, track your transaction history, and make informed investment decisions. It is essential to regularly update your historical data to ensure accuracy and relevance. Best practices for configuring Debank historical data include regularly reviewing and updating your wallet connections, verifying the accuracy of the retrieved data, and using the data to inform your investment strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure Debank historical data and gain valuable insights into your cryptocurrency portfolio. This enables you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your investment portfolio for better performance. Configuring Debank historical data is a simple yet powerful tool for cryptocurrency investors, providing a clear and concise way to track and analyze portfolio performance over time.